SharePoint 2010 on a Windows 7 professional for the development. Before I'm going to tell you about, you can see my blog. One tidbit. You just type one tidbit in the Bing and you will get my blog. You can visit anytime for some SharePoint things. Okay, before going to install SharePoint 2010 on Windows 7 for development purposes, we need some prerequisites, and these prerequisites are ADO.NET data services and Microsoft Geneva framework, MS Chart, SharePoint platforms, SDK, SQL, and CL.MSI synchronization, and some other Windows updates. First of all, I will install. I think I am already installed those, but I will install this, and I will first install this Microsoft Geneva framework. It is already there. Okay, no problem. And next, ADO.NET databases. I think all these are already there on my system, but again, for the users and so yeah, I think these all are present in my system. And now directly going to install SharePoint 2010. Check. Before going to install SharePoint 2010, there we need to run some commands and some group of commands which I have kept in a setup.cmd. If anyone want this, I will give them in mail. Just mail. I'm giving my email is bit.com. Okay, yeah, first we must check that our IIS is activated in our programs or not. To know how it is activated or not, we must go to control panel, and in control panel there will be programs and features. Here there will be turn Windows features on or off. There you can find internet information services are enabled, so you must also enable this before going to do this SharePoint 2010 installation. Okay, click the setup with administrator permissions. Just click OK. Now we have a trial key from Microsoft. We can use that, no problem. completed the installation of SharePoint, and now we must run this configuration wizard to complete the configuration of our server. Before doing this configuration wizard, we must run the Windows roles bat which is available with me, which is a group of some commands in a command prompt. After this we can run this configuration wizard, which is very challenging, and in many cases it will fail to run. So click close. And it will bring you the products. This is SharePoint products configuration wizard. Need to install it, is having some steps. You need to complete all those. This is giving the warning, this must be developer workstations only. Okay. SharePoint. Okay. It's running. Now we are in task 5. Okay, and some things to remember are this SharePoint 2010 will be installed only on the 64-bit systems. Came to the final step. It is finalizing the SharePoint products configuration. Let us wait. Yeah, finally our configuration for SharePoint is successful, and if we click finish, we can navigate through the default SharePoint web application homepage. See this, the username may be counted there closer to username. It is telling the username password of our computer. Okay, finish. Site, and to open the central administration page, which contains all the control parts of SharePoint form. Here go to this Microsoft SharePoint 2010